So before I tell you more about animated videos and how you can make them, first watch this animated video. So this was the kind of video that I am teaching you to make in Powtoon. So let's get started. First open Google or any web browser, then search powtoon.com. Okay, when it opens, you would see the Powtoon workspace. Now, if you don't have an account, then you have to sign up. If I have an account, so it's already opening my home page. Okay, so do sign up and then start making. So here is how you can make an animated video. You see, to get started, here are three things. First is the templates, second is import, and third is the create. If you want to start from scratch, means from the beginning, then you can use create. If you want to make some templates, then you can choose a templates option. If you already have some type of video and you want to add more to it, then you can use the import. So for now, let's use the create, as you are new to create animated videos. So here are the options to make a video: the horizontal, square, and the vertical. So here these are nothing but the screen sizes that you can choose. So horizontal is perfect for PC, so I will choose this. Okay, so now it's opening the studio, loading the awesomeness. Okay, so it's loaded and you see it is saying choose a look for your cartoon. So if you want to make a cartoon video like the one you saw previously, then you can choose this one. If you want to make a whiteboard video, then you can choose this one. If you want to make some presentations, then you can use the infographic or reel. Or if you want to make something else like a TV interview or something like that, then you can use the modern edge. So for now I would use the cartoon. Okay, so now let me tell you what are the things that you see here. So here is the Powtoon logo and here is the edit and create option. At first we are going to create it, so let it be there. And here is the help, and then here this is the edit, so we are currently editing it. Okay, so here is the undo and redo commands, and then here is the name of your project. I can say new animation, or you can also choose a cool name. So here is the button for saving, and here it is it to present means just to show the video like I showed you the previous one, and here it is the preview, so you can actually see the video yourself to see if you want to make any changes. Then here it is the share option. Okay, so it would generate a link is for you to share this video with your friends. Okay, so now this is export, and export means if you want to export it to Powtoon, Vimeo, YouTube, or PPT, then you can choose this option, or you can also download the video in MP4 format or any other thing. Okay, so now let's get started with what you are seeing here. So this is the slide, and the slides are the only thing that are working as the scenes. So here is the scene 1, like the slide 1, and the slide 2 is basically the scene 2, and slide 3 is the scene 3. So we would need only one slide, so let's delete the other two. Okay, so now here you can also zoom it to see better, and you can change this the screen size, and you can take grids so that you can arrange everything better. Okay, so that's much talking. Now let's get started with real work. So the most important thing for your video to get famous is that you have to choose a very good background to make it look cool. Okay, so here is upload your background, pick a background color, and you can also choose a background from your PC, or you can see here are some of backgrounds, ready-made backgrounds, then you can also choose. So I would try to make an abstract background. So how about this? Okay, so this seems pretty good. So I would use this. Okay, now the other thing that you have to do is you have to see these are the text, and these are the second most important elements. So you can insert a text just by clicking this add title, add subtitle, or add body text. So let's add text, and I will write here animation by coded. Okay, so now you can make it go to the top, and you can change its color like to white, and then you can increase the text size by this option. Okay, I would let it remain 50, and here is the lock option. So if you don't want it to move it, then you can lock it. Okay, so now I would unlock it, and here is the settings. So you can change the font style here. Like here are many font styles, so if I want to use free spirit or anything else like this pencil tall. Okay, so this seems good, I would use this. And some other things that you can do in the settings is make your text italic, underlined, bold, and many things. And you can also align your text like this. Okay, now here is the opacity, means how much visible you want your text to be. I want it to be 100% visible, so I would set it to 100. Okay, so now here are the effects. So before that, let me tell you about timeline and what is this type of thing. Okay, so you see here 0 second to 10 second. This is actually the time till which the slide will continue to show up. Okay, so the slide duration is 10 second, and here as you can see, if you click on this button, then it would basically select this text, which means it is a button for to assess this text. Okay, so now what? Now you see the blue background. I can say the blue color means basically the timeline of this. So it basically means if you want to make it appear from 2 seconds, then you can choose from 2. If you want to make it appear from 1 second, you can choose 1, and so on. Now there are some effects like the entry effect and the exit effect. So entry effect is how you want your text to come or anything else to come. So if you want to write it like this, then you can choose the handle. Now let me go to 0 and let's start to see how does it write. Okay, so this seems pretty good. Okay, now the timeline is very short, so I can increase it. Okay, so now the exit effect is how the text will go. So I can choose this pop one. Okay, so let's see how it is doing. Okay, animation by coded, very good. Okay, so you saw how it popped out. Okay, so this was about the text features, and you can increase or decrease the timeline by using this line. Okay, so now I would tell you how to add images. So before that, let's try shapes. So here are the shapes, and you can choose some basic shapes or animated shapes. I would use the animated shapes. So I would choose this one, or let's say something else. So mm, let's choose this one. Okay, so this is something like loading icon, so I can keep it here. Okay, now you see it has combined with this animation by coded, and this is combined. So if you want to select any one of these, then you can click on this two, and then you can click on this shape, and then you can move it from here to here and anywhere. Okay, so I'll let it be here, and then what I would do is I would choose some images. Like you see here, it is an upload image button. Like if you have any image in your PC or in your computer, then you can upload it. And here are my images that you have recently uploaded, then you can see it. And I have uploaded some cars and some other photos. So let's take a photo from this one, that is the storybook elements. So I would use this something like a garden picture. Okay, so it's loading, and okay, wow, it's pretty cool and pretty nice. So I could just mm, minimize it, or I can say I could reduce the size of it. Okay, so it seems good now. And to copy one shape or anything or any element, then you can Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. It would be automatically copied, and you can move it somewhere else also. So here is the animation effect, and this is some error page. You can close this, is it just doesn't mean anything. So this is how you make an image come on your scene. Okay, so now let's see how you can upload a video on the screen. First I would minimize this image like this one, and one thing I would like to tell you is that this, you see here, it is coming in front of this shape. If you want to come it in the back side of the shape, then you can click settings and then arrange and then backward. Okay, now it would come at the back of this shape, and if you want to again make it come to the front, then you can choose this. Okay, I would choose come to front option, I mean bring to front. Okay, so it's now on front. Okay, now let's try to upload a video here. So I'll click on this video, and you can upload a video, or if you have any other video you can choose that. Like if I have this video, okay, I will choose this video. Okay, okay, so you see this video is like this. If you want to play it, then you can use this blue button to play it. Okay, so it's basically plain video, so I would choose some as video. I would delete this one and this photo also, and I would to choose some as other video. So like this holidays. Okay, so this video length is more than the slide length, so you can increase the length of your slide. Okay, and you can put it here. You can also resize this video, and if you want to see what is in the video, you can make it timeline more, and then you can click on the blue button to play it. Okay, so this video is loading, and I would load it again. Okay, so now it's loaded. Okay, so you can see the Santa Claus here, right? So this was how you can upload a video also. Now I will tell you how to add some sound. So you can add music from your computer, or you can add a voiceover. So for voiceover, you have to click this, and then you can record your voice. Now I want to record it for the current slide. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome again to Code It. Stop record. Okay. Now I can save this with any name. So I can say intro, save. Okay. Now you can play this with the video. Okay. So it seems the volume of the video is a little low. Okay. Or maybe there is some issue, but it would come in your side. I am pretty sure about that. Okay, so now this is some special thing. So for the special thing, I will tell you, you can choose anything like this one. I would choose something like Halloween, and then you can choose something like this witch. So this is some witch animation that is pretty cool enough. So this is witch and this is the vampire. Wow, so this looks like a Halloween site. Okay, so this was pretty cool. Hope you liked this video. So this was a part 1 of my animation in Powtoon. So if you want to see the part 2, then be sure to like my video and to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who want to learn animating videos like this. So guys, thanks for watching.